was ever so excited and scared. But now I'm just disappointed. I heard that bears live to hunt and to fight. Why are you wasting your time here, drinking whiskey?
I stay because the people of this town gave me spirits and let me drink till I was asleep. Then they took my armor away, and without my armor I cannot go to war. And I am an armored bear. War is the sea I swim in, the air I breathe. Without my armor, nothing.
Can't you make new armor?
I thought bears were good at that.
There's all this metal around.
Worthless. My armor is made of sky
Show the
iron.
Xbox
The
coming down.
falling stars of lamp and snow. A bear's armor is his soul, as your demon is your soul. Irreplaceable.
Raise it back down.
May as well take him away and replace him with a dog.
It must have been terrible to lose your armor.
It was no less than I deserved.
Do you know how to use an Xbox?